What is HDMI? Let's understand it in the simplest way. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It's a cable and port that lets you send high-quality video and audio together from one device to another. How it works? With just one cable, you can connect your TV, laptop, gaming console, or set-top box. No need for multiple wires. Where it's used, you'll find HDMI ports in TVs, laptops, PCs, gaming consoles like PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, set-top boxes, and projectors. What HDMI does? HDMI can send HD, 4K, even 8K video, send digital audio, and do it all using just one cable. Types of HDMI. There are different versions. HDMI 1.4 supports full HD and basic 4K. HDMI 2.0, better 4K performance. HDMI 2.1 supports 8K and high refresh rates, perfect for gaming. Quick comparison. HDMI versus USB. HDMI is used for audio and video output. USB is used for data transfer and charging. HDMI is a single cable solution for both video and audio.